We're at Deception Bay, a hot spot for water birds including black swans, Pacific black ducks, and other locals including egrets. It's also a site for migratory waders like the spar-tailed godwit and the eastern curlew. Watching these foraging bar-tailed godwits, you certainly get an appreciation for their long beak, probing the mud for invertebrates. Much like this whimbrel. A silver gull uses his feet, doesn't just need his beak, just to see what he can find and stir up. But catching fish, that's another issue altogether. You have to be fast, fish are mobile, and although herons will work amongst the vegetation like the seagrass bed, it requires stealth and speed to catch fish. This is a striated heron, and he's working along a gutter along the edge of the intertidal flats. He's sneaking up on those fish on the left there, but watch, he gets low to the ground, making himself very difficult to see. They move out of range. But if you look just again to the right, again you can see another fish there. And bang, got it. Let's look at that in slow motion. What a strike. Watch as the striated heron goes back again into the gutter, again keeping low and using the rocks as a form of making itself inconspicuous. A master of stealth, staying so low on the waterline that the fish don't realise the danger they're in. Not only is stealth required, incredible vision. Watch how the striated heron keeps adjusting its position before it makes the strike. And bang, there's dinner. Removing invertebrates from mud is one way of feeding, but catching fish, that takes a special set of skills. So next time you're at Deception Bay, take a moment and check out some of our herons and egrets. They are awesome fishes.